Hey everybody, Andy Tran here. Hope you guys are having a great week so far. Speaking about weeks, it's only one more week till we have our very first LinkedIn Local Workshop event with the awesome Chris Wynn by my side. It's a lean design marketing workshop that's developed for marketers and creative professionals all across the city. It's a hands-on event that's going to take you through the steps of defining or redefining your challenge, come up with some ideas with those around you, and centralize it in a primary approach. If you filled out our waitlist form, thank you so much. And if you haven't filled it out yet, you got a little bit of time because we're just compiling the list right now and we're gonna send out formal invitations shortly. If you missed out on the event, don't be discouraged because we'll most likely have another one opened up afterwards. And while we're at it, big thank you to all of the brands involved in this, supporting this, because without your support, we wouldn't be able to get this up and running. So make sure you register for our first LinkedIn Local Workshop event, Lean Design Marketing Workshop, March 17 at the Century Connect. LinkedIn Local, I'll see you there.